अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, today tells about some beautiful and creative Christmas doorknob decorative ideas instead of using the useless big words. You can make simple and stylish hobs that bring a fresh look to your holiday decoration. These hobs are light, modern, and easy to design. First idea: use a plain metal or wooden hob and warp in it with green pins, branches. Add some fairy lights and a red bow at the bottom. This look traditional but still very elegant. Second idea goes for a half decorate hob. Leave the top part simple and decorate only bottom half with pin, leaves, ornaments, berries and ribbons. This style look modern and minimal. Third idea, try a snow then. Spray your hob with white paint or fake snow. Add silver and white ornaments, small snowflakes and a sparkling ribbon. This give a winter wonderland effects for your door. Another idea is to try orange cinnamon sticks and pin cones. Attach them to the hob with hot glue. This gives a natural, rustic and cozy Christmas feeling. Plus it's small amazing. You can also make a golden hob with shiny wheels and colors ribbon. Add a Merry Christmas sign in the middle. This look bold and festive, perfect for parties. If you like a cute style, decorate the hob with little Santa hats, mini stocking or candy cans. Kids will love this playful design. Viewers, don't forget fairy lights can make any hob look magical at night. Warp them around the circle and let your door shine bright for the holidays. So whether you want this modern, sunny or playful Christmas door hob are a wonderful way to welcome your guests with joy. They are easy to make, kid friendly and full of festive charm. Friends, one fun idea is a red and white candy cans. Then warp the hob with red and white ribbon strips and then add candy cans, ornaments or peppermint. This a sweet and joyful Christmas look. Another idea is a flower hob. Use artificial setting, holly leaves and